Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get unbanned on Wizz. So here is the best way on how you can get unbanned. You just need to open up the Wizz app, and then on the Wizz app you can just do appeal, and you just need to go to settings, and then you need to go to contact us section. And inside contact us, what you can do is just put in your name, email, and select who you are, whatever you do, and then your message, whatever you got a problem. If it's not a serious ban, like they ban you without any reason and something like that, you can just do this and you might get unbanned very easily. And if you have done something serious and caused a violation, you cannot get unbanned. But what you can do is just wait for a while. Some bans are temporary, so you can just wait, and then you can just use a new account. You can use new email, app, or number, and then just reinstall the app. So I'm just gonna give you a tip: avoid the spam and stop doing inappropriate content and sharing socials next time. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you.